Delta faucet repair. First thing, 1/8 Allen wrench. Get the nut out. Then you free this up. Sometimes it's a little difficult. I already loosened it. Take it off. Slip this guy off. Then you want to dismantle it. I'm going to slip this guy off right here. And in here, there's an O-ring that we have to take out first. This guy can't come out until you get the O-ring off. We got the O-ring off. We'll slip this guy off. Flat side down. And we screw off the plate. 1 screw, 2 screws. Now we're going to unscrew this. I'm going to try and get some WD-40 behind it. Gives trouble, so if you get some behind it, it might help. I use these trusty guys to loosen it. Luckily, this one was not very tight. And since I'm going to repair this instead of replacing it for $100, I'm just going to screw off this white part, just the white part. So this guy, you just screw it anti-clockwise, 1/4 of a rotation, and pull it out. We're going to replace these 2 rubbers and the springs that are behind them. This is repair kit from Lowe's. It was like $5, maybe 10. No, they had a $10 one, but this one was $5. This is what the whole thing looks like. This is the part in the wall. This is the white part that we just screwed off. So that's what we're going to replace. We don't have to take it out of the wall to do it. These back ones can leak as well. Thank goodness, no sign of leaking there, so I'm just going to change the front ones.
Okay.
So to get it out, just use a screwdriver and take it out. And the spring and the rubber come off. This is our repair kit. 2 springs and the 2 rubbers that we need. So new rubber in just like the old one, and just push it in. Take out the other one. My kit had this black O-ring, so I replaced it. Now we just put this in and turn it. Where this ends up affects the on-off position, so I'll put it in and check it. So I put it in, and this part of it ended up on this side. When I took it off, it was on that side.